Boys and girls of grade 2, how was your vacation? It was really good. What did you eat? Oh, Mr. Teapot, I had myself some cake, black and sponge. Oh, and some fruit cake also. I had myself some ginger beer. I ate some candies. I had some fruits. Can't you see Miss Teapot is looking all stuffed up? Yes, it is because of all the things I ate. Boys and girls, are you excited for science? Oh, you miss me. For science time is a happy time, a happy time, happy time. Science time is a happy time for all little boys and girls. Sing along with me. Science time is a happy time, a happy time, happy time. Science time is a happy time for all little boys and girls. Guess what? It's a happy time for me. Guess what? It's a happy time for me. Guess what? It is a happy time for me. It's a happy time for everyone. Now, today for science, we are looking at a kingdom. Miss Teapot, you're talking about your royal teapot kingdom? Oh no, boys and girls. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about a kingdom. In this kingdom, we can see a lot of green things. Some have colors. Some grow in water. Some on land. Some that are on the land, they would grow on buildings. When the breeze is blowing, they would dance. Let's dance. While the breeze blows, let's dance. Yes, they would sway. They have fruits, flowers, leaves, stem, root. Boys and girls of grade 2, what kingdom are we talking about? Yes, that is correct. We are talking about the plant kingdom, the plant kingdom. We are talking about the plant kingdom. Come on, boys and girls. So today, in this kingdom, we are looking at the life cycle of a plant. The life cycle of a plant. So life means that you're alive. You're living. Cycle means something that continues. So it would go round and come back again. And it will go round and come back again. Go round and come back again. So life means you are alive. And a cycle means that you will go round and come back again. Go round and come back again. And what are we talking about? A plant. So life means to live. You are alive. Cycle means that something is going round. It's repeating itself. It's going round and coming back again. Go round and come back again. And then we're talking about a plant. So we're talking about life cycle of a plant. We're talking about the life cycle of a plant. Oh, Miss Teapot, you know what? When I look through my window, I see plants. Everywhere I go, I see plants. Looking right up, I can see plants. Looking down to the ground, Miss Teapot, I see plants. I see plants. Everywhere I go, I can see plants up high and below. Some plants in water and some on land. Let me tell you about plants. Boys and girls, let's learn about plants. Today we're looking at the life cycle of the plant. Oh, so the life cycle of the plant is called. It's basically when the plant grows. So, if I'm going to teach you about the life cycle of the plant, then I must tell you about this word. It's really big. Big, big, big. Don't be afraid. The word is germination. 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 Miss Diva, that's a really big word. Miss Teapot, that's a really big word. Boys and girls, no need to worry. Germination is not a really big word. Guess what? Germination is the growth of a seed into a plant. Germination is the growth of a seed into a plant. What is germination, boys and girls? It's the growth of a seed into a plant. That is what we call germination. Boys and girls, have you ever seen a seed turning into a plant? Have you ever planted a seed? So, in germination, there's a process. There are different stages. The same way we grow from a baby into an adult, it's the same way the plant. Yes, a plant will move from the seed. And after being a seed, I don't want to be a seed no more. Then it would turn into a seedling. And after the seedling, it's going to turn into a young plant. And after the young plant, it's going to turn into an adult plant. So, it moves from the seed to the seedling to the young plant and then finally to the adult plant. So, can you say it with me? Seed, seedling, young plant, adult plant. So, that is the cycle. But boys and girls, when it turns into an adult plant, not long after that, you would find it. Yes, some of them, they're going to die. For plants, in the process of germination, it moves from a seed to a seedling to a young plant, adult plant, and then at the end of the cycle, it may die. But while growing, it may produce a fruit. So you're going to get another seed to start the cycle all over again. Boys and girls, in the plant kingdom and the life cycle of plants, we need to remember that it's not all the plants that would start with a seed. There are some plants that we are going to break a piece of it, soak it in some water, and before you know it, roots are coming out. The roots are coming out. Yes, boys and girls. There are some plants. You just break the leaf, stick it in some soil, and before you know it, it's growing, it's growing, it's growing into a beautiful plant. It's growing, it's growing, it's growing to a beautiful plant. So boys and girls of grade 2, in the plant kingdom, the plant goes through a cycle that we would call the life cycle of a plant. That is where the plant would move from being a seed or a little piece of leaf or a piece of stem, moving from that little state into becoming a big adult plant. And then some of them would die. Boys and girls, there's some important things that we need to know in order to keep the plants alive for a longer time. Plants, oh plants, what do you need? I need some sunlight to shine down on me. Plants, oh plants, what do you need? I need some water to be thrown on me. Plants, oh plants, what do you need? I need to breathe some fresh air inside me. So boys and girls, plants need water, they need air, and they also need sunlight in order to grow big, healthy, and strong. And when they're all grown, they would still need water, air, and sunlight so that they can grow, continue to grow, or if they stop growing, when we give them those things, they're going to stay alive. Boys and girls, I'm going to show you some pictures of different plants when they are at different stages. They can be at the stage of the seed, seedling, young plant, or adult plant. But guess what? We are going to identify what stage is it at. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at the picture. It is showing a seed. Boys and girls, can you tell me what seed is it? What plant is going to grow from that seed? Yes, it's a black-eyed beans. It's a seed. Boys and girls, that plant looks really big. Which stage is it at? Is it a seedling? Is it a seed? Is it a young plant? Is it an adult plant? That's correct. It is, the picture is showing an adult plant. Boys and girls, for Miss Teapot, you're going to draw in your book. You're going to select any fruit. And you're going to draw the cycle of germination for that fruit. So if you select mango, okay, I'm going to start with mango. You will have the mango seed. Then the seedling, that is when the seed is still there and a little plant is shooting right out. Then you'll have the young plant and then the adult plant. If you want to draw more, you can even draw when the mango tree dies. So boys and girls, are you going to do your activity? Remember, science time is a happy time.